Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today is time for the fifth minor scale. I'm going to explain and play for you the C minor scale. Obviously after so many videos I don't think that I have to repeat again all the things that I've already explained. In case you missed the previous videos, I'm leaving the links below and also the whole playlist where you will find all the scales video already published. We have to simply go straight to the C minor scale today. I'm simply clarifying that the C minor scale is the relative minor of E flat major. We have three flats, the B flat, the E flat and the A flat. But you should know at this point that I am I'm talking about the scales, especially comparing them to the major, starting from the same identical key. I have already clarified that the difference existing in between C major and C minor is in just three keys: the third, the sixth and the seventh. But obviously when I talk about the difference in between the major and the minor, so C major and C minor, I am referring to the natural minor scale. Natural minor scale. Indeed, it is the one according to the key signature, the one respecting the three flats that we have in the key signature in this case. So I keep repeating the third note, the sixth note and the seventh note. Let's check what I'm saying. So if C major is this, C minor natural will have the third note lowered, then obviously is a standard fingering, same as C major, then fourth and fifth note identical, then I said sixth and seventh, not anymore A and B, but A flat, B flat and then C. It is obvious that then we will extend later. Same story on the left side. When it comes to the melodic minor scale, as you know, we have to raise in the ascending direction the sixth and the seventh, and it will be like playing the C major just with the minor third, as I said in all the previous videos. See now, sixth, seventh, and so on. Obviously in the descending direction, the sixth and the seventh will be lowered again. They will go back to the requirement of the key signature, so we will have again the three flats that you have anyways in the natural minor scale. And this one would be the descending. Regarding the harmonic scale, as you know, we have to raise just the seventh, generating the distance of 1 tone and a half in between the sixth and the seventh. This is the sixth, seventh, and then so on. Okay, now time to play as usual. The scale, 1 octave, 2 octaves, separate hands together, then the 2 octaves, hands together scales, slow and fast. First of all, C natural minor scale, 1 octave, right hand. C melodic minor scale, 1 octave, right hand. C harmonic minor scale, 1 octave, right hand. Now C natural minor scale, 1 octave, left hand. C melodic minor scale, 1 octave, left hand. C harmonic minor scale, 1 octave, left hand. C natural minor scale, 1 octave, hands together. C melodic minor scale, 1 octave, hands together. C harmonic minor scale, 1 octave, hands together. C natural minor scale, 2 octaves, right hand. C melodic minor scale, 2 octaves, right hand. C harmonic minor scale, 2 octaves, right hand. C natural minor scale, 2 octaves, left hand. C melodic minor scale, 2 octaves, left hand. C harmonic minor scale, 2 octaves, left hand. C natural minor scale, 2 octaves, hands together. C melodic minor scale, 2 octaves, hands together. C harmonic minor scale, 2 octaves, hands together. Now, C natural minor scale, 2 octaves, hands together, fast. Now, C melodic minor scale, 2 octaves, hands together, fast. C harmonic minor scale, 2 octaves, hands together, fast. So as mentioned previously, the scales could be played even faster than these. The ones separate hands, I prefer to play slowly because I wanted you to understand the notes, the mechanism, the passage, the thumb passage crossing over the thumb. Obviously, if you are studying the scales for any of the boards, ABRSM, Trinity, whichever it is, always stick to the speed, the minimum speed that they require. In the future, maybe I will try to publish also the ones according to the requirement of the single grades. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.